Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these are ProScrub. They're by Wypall brand, and I do like the Wypall. Other types of cleaning cloths. I've gotten those pink rolls. I've gotten just everything from them. But so I got these. I didn't just get one. I got like six of these things. These are great. So the way it works is you've got the little top here for the dispenser that comes through. You pull through the middle one, and then they pull through. You have to kind of open it up a little bit first. You pull that first one through, and then it'll go through, and you pull them out like that. So very cool little wipes like that, and they're ready to go. So super cool. They smell nice. They have a little bit of a fragrance to it, but not a lot. And they are just super cool scrubber ones. They're like here. I'll show you a little bit close up. You can kind of see here. You see, it's got a bit of texture to it. It's good. It'll give you some scrub so you can clean stuff off. So really cool. I like these. So I'm gonna say these are awesome. And you just close it back up, and it'll stay nice and moist. So thumbs up from me on these. Don't flush them. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.